Hello friends, in this video we are going to create and activate virtual environment. First we open a folder which we want to install and create our project. Then we select the folder. We create a new terminal. However, we can use PowerShell terminal, but I am easier with working with Git Bash terminal. For creating a virtual environment, we type the name of the folder which we want to create virtual environment in that folder. We can name it whatever I want, okay? But let's put it this way. Press enter. Friends, for some unknown reasons, when I first type a command, it shows me some errors. I don't know why, so I should type the command again. This is the error that I interface with that, and I don't know why, but if I type it again, the problem will be solved. Now you can see that virtual environment is created in the venv folder that we defined this. Now it's time to activate virtual environment. If you are in Linux or Mac OS, you should use this command, which this is the name of the virtual environment folder. If you are in Windows, PowerShell or command prompt, you should use this. But if you are in Windows and using Git Bash, so you should use this command. So I use this command since I am using Git Bash in Windows. So I type the name of the venv. If you check to see whether or not venv folder exists in this path, if I type ls, you should see venv folder, and this is, so I can use this. So for activating venv, after typing venv, I should type a script, and after that activate like this, okay? And when I type A, press tab, it automatically completes the rest. Press enter and wait. If you see this text along with the path name, it means that our virtual environment activated, okay? Which means there is another way to test. If I type var python and press enter and wait, you can see that this is the path to the Python which is installed locally in this path, okay? So it means that the command is read from this path, from this Python, and it means that our virtual environment is activated. Plus there is two ways to understand that whether or not our virtual environment is activated. The first one, you should see this text. The second one is after typing var python, it shows that the Python is read from the virtual environment folder, okay? So the next thing that we are going to do is um, installing Django, which we are going to talk about in the next section.